I'm going to explain how to change the engine oil. Step 1 is to let the engine cool completely, so it's not hot. Step 2 is place a container under the oil drain plug. Step 3 is to open the oil drain plug.
Yeah.
Then you need to wait for all the oil to seep out until there's no more oil coming out of this hole. If there's no more oil coming out, you need to close the drain plug again. Then add 4 liters of SAE 40 oil through this hole. 4 liters. And then you check the oil level. And it needs to be between this line and this line.